Hello everyone, today I will show you how to undo and redo changes in Google Sheets. And here's how it's done. When working with spreadsheets, it is common to make mistakes. Thankfully, you can quickly undo or redo your recent changes. In this example, we have a spreadsheet with income, expenses, and profit. The income and expenses were entered manually, while the rest are calculated using formulas. Let us say you realize the numbers entered for income and expenses are from the wrong dataset. You want to delete them, but not the formulas. So you select the numbers and delete them. Then you begin entering new data. Partway through, you realize the original data was actually correct. To undo this, click the undo button in the top left corner. Each click undoes one action, removing the new entries and eventually restoring the deleted original data. If you change your mind again and want to go back to the newer data, click the redo button to reverse the undo actions. Both actions can also be done with keyboard shortcuts. In Mac, undo is Command plus Z, redo is Command plus Y. In Windows, undo is Control plus Z, and redo is Control plus Y. You can hover over the undo or redo icons to see the shortcuts specific to your system. Using undo and redo helps you fix mistakes without losing your work quickly and easily. And that is everything you need to know about how to undo and redo changes in Google Sheets. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.